So we've had a puncture, the tyre's been fixed, but the warning light to say that the tyre is still flat comes up when you start the car. Now, we know it's been fixed, but some cars, what you'll need to do is reset the tyre pressure monitors. And this is how you do it on this. Quite simply, it comes up straight away when you've just started the car and you follow the instructions. Press OK. It was the rear left that we had fixed. All the others are green, so they're all OK. Perform reset. Perform reset, press it again, and it's been reset, and it will start to actually measure the tyre pressures once we start driving again. So this is for my BMW 1 Series. Other cars have different ways of doing it. Sometimes literally all you do is just drive a little bit without having to press reset, but this is what you do on this car. What I would like to add though is to say that not all run flat tyres can be repaired. And I understand why. It's literally because the garages don't understand how long they've been driven on before they are repaired. Mine only had a slight puncture and it wasn't driven on at any low pressures at any point, so that's why my local garage were able to fix this. But don't expect this to be the same with all garages and all situations. It's just not safe to repair sometimes. It's taken a little bit longer than I thought it would. It's taken a number of minutes of me driving. Every time I stop it displays this message, so all you've got to literally do is just keep moving until it's finished. Okay, when it's finished it tells you it's finished. Everything seems okay, no problems.